The world of gaming monitors keeps evolving, but every once in a while a display arrives that completely changes what a desktop setup can look and feel like. The Samsung 49-inch Odyssey OLED G9 is one of those products that instantly grabs attention the second it powers on. This monitor is enormous in the best possible way. Instead of using two separate screens with bezels in the middle, the Odyssey OLED G9 gives you one giant, seamless, ultra-wide display that stretches across your desk like something straight out of a futuristic gaming studio. It immediately becomes the centerpiece of any setup. The biggest highlight here is the QD-OLED panel technology. Colors look incredibly rich and vibrant. Contrast levels are outstanding, and black levels are truly deep thanks to OLED's ability to turn individual pixels completely off. Whether you're playing games, watching movies, or editing content, the image quality feels premium from every angle. Gaming on this display feels incredibly immersive. The curved 49-inch panel wraps around your field of view, making racing games, open-world adventures, and simulators feel far more realistic. The ultra-wide format adds an entirely different level of immersion that traditional monitors simply cannot provide. Smoothness is another major advantage. With a 144 Hz refresh rate and lightning-fast 0.03 milliseconds response time, gameplay feels fluid and responsive. Fast movements appear sharp, animations look cleaner, and the overall experience feels extremely polished. Even regular desktop usage feels smoother than expected on a display this advanced. The dual QHD resolution also makes this monitor perfect for productivity. Multitasking becomes effortless because you can comfortably run multiple applications side by side without feeling limited on space. Editing videos, streaming, browsing, chatting, and gaming all become easier with such a large, uninterrupted workspace. Samsung also focused heavily on design. The Odyssey OLED G9 features a clean, modern look with subtle futuristic lighting accents that make it feel high-end without being overdone. The ergonomic stand allows height and tilt adjustments, helping users find a more comfortable viewing position despite the massive screen size. Before purchasing, one thing to keep in mind is desk space. This is a very large monitor, and it requires enough room to fully appreciate the ultra-wide experience. Once installed, it completely transforms the appearance of the setup. OLED technology often raises questions about burn-in, but Samsung includes protection features and a 3-year warranty to help provide confidence for long-term use. For most gamers and creators using the display normally, it should perform very well over time. Support for both NVIDIA G-Sync compatible and AMD FreeSync Premium Pro also ensures smoother gameplay with reduced screen tearing and improved visual stability during fast-paced gaming sessions. Overall, the Samsung Odyssey OLED G9 delivers an impressive combination of immersive gaming, stunning OLED visuals, ultra-wide productivity, and premium design. It feels like a display built for users who want the absolute next-level experience from their setup. For anyone wanting a monitor that feels cinematic, futuristic, and incredibly powerful, the Odyssey OLED G9 easily stands out as one of the most exciting gaming monitors available today. Hi guys, if you want to buy this Samsung 49-inch Odyssey OLED G9, then please visit the link provided in the description.